So open houses are allowed now, but is it safe? Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Tip Tuesday. My name is Vincent Lim. I'm with Advanced City Experts Real Estate Group, and if this is your first time tuning in, it's where I'll share everything real estate related every Tuesday under 2 minutes. So based on Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, we are allowed to have open houses now. And is it safe? I think is the ultimate question. So today's tip, I'm going to give tips to home buyers and home sellers, and let's get this under 2 minutes. Let's hit the clock. So open houses, what's going to look like for basically home sellers now that we are allowed to have open houses. I think it's by discretion. I think as a home seller, I think it's really pretty straightforward. If you have kids, if you have elderly in the family, and we have to showcase your home, I think you would have to rethink that open houses might not be the best idea, as you know, you're gonna have a lot of people coming through. Even though people are gonna be wearing masks or gloves or hand sanitizer, you're still exposing your family to risk of the amount of people coming in. So really it is up to the seller, up to you as a seller, but those are the things that I would probably want to watch out for, and still do everything by appointment and stagger those people to come in instead of, you know, everybody having a full open house, everybody waiting outside coming in, the traffic. So, and if you don't have any of those cases, of course, let's put protocol in place, and as I said, make sure people are wearing masks or gloves or having hand sanitization, or make sure your agent cleans up or Lysols the place after with the doorknob. Anything that maybe guests have touched, those are really, really important. But of course, you can always stick with appointment, because at this point, there's so many tools, so many ways to showcase your home without an open house. And now, as a home buyer, going to an open house, I think you gotta be careful. It's pretty simple as a home buyer. Just be expected to make sure you wear a mask, make sure you wear gloves, and you might have to sign those COVID waiver forms that some of you guys might be signing from the listing agent on the other side, and they have rules as well from the sellers. So it's most important is that we respect those rules going in, and really respecting the seller and their home. So that's it for today. That's a very, very simple tip. So at the end of the day, it's really up to you as a home seller how you would want to, if you want an open house or not, but also have the safety protocols in place. And as a home buyer, have those expectations going in. It's going to be like this for the next little while. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's a short one. If this has added value to you, please like it and share it. Again, my name is Vincent Lim. I'm with Advanced City Experts Real Estate Group, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.